Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at the 2021 Forest River XLR Micro Boost 27 LRLE. We'll go ahead and start off right here on the front of the unit. You do have a large pass-through storage space. It is lighted. It does have the magnet hold. Let me show you in here. You've got this wood look paneling. Does make this space not quite as, basement-y. Go ahead and shut that. It's raining a little bit today. You do have a large lighted and power awning. It extends most of the length of the camper. You've got outdoor entertainment, so you've got these outdoor speakers that are controlled by the radio inside. Cable and satellite hookups, along with an outlet, TV mount, and a rear entry door. Now this rear entry door does go into the separate garage, which I'll show you inside. And then you've got the blue LEDs on the back. You've also got a leash latch. This is bolted directly to the frame, so you can take your pets along with you and you don't have to worry about them pulling a stake out of the ground, post out of the ground, whatever. Take a look inside. Right inside the unit is your bed. It does have a curtain to close off the bed area. You've got some cabinets up above. The wood look paneling is continued up the front. And then you do have a mirrored closet. You've also got USB ports and outlets. There is an outlet on the other side of the bed as well. On your slide, there is one slide. You do have a cafe style dinette with the XLR cushions. They have gone with the lighter color scheme along with many other manufacturers, and I gotta say, I am in love with it. It really lightens up the space, opens it up quite a bit. You've got a large panoramic window there. Over here is your entertainment center. So you got a TV mount, cable and satellite hookups, you got your thermostat there. And then you also have a 31-inch gray stone fireplace. This is great for those cool fall days and nights when it's 40, 50 degrees outside. You're not quite ready to turn on your propane tank. You can just run your fireplace and it'll keep it nice and warm in here. You've got a large single basin sink with the pull-down sprayer. Tons of cabinetry here. 3-burner Furion stovetop and oven. Up top, you've got a Furion microwave and Furion refrigerator and freezer. This is 12 volt. I'm actually gonna adjust it there. And then we got the freezer. Through here is your bathroom. So you've got your huge vanity here, tons of counter space and cabinet space, along with your medicine cabinet. On the opposite side, you've got your toilet and your shower. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers a little more headroom. And then back here is your separate garage. So you've got the XLR cushions. This section here will fold out into a bed, or you can raise the table up so that you can use it as a table. It does have the blackout curtains on the windows with the snaps. You just pull those off or snap them back in place. If you need to pull something in here, you're able to do so by simply removing the cushions, folding the seats up, moving the table, and the seats actually connect against the windows, and then you can pull whatever you need in here. While we're on the subject of pulling something in here, if you need to do so, all you have to do is let your gate down, disconnect, which these are already disconnected, it looks like, your cables here. That'll let the ramp all the way down, move your gates out, and that'll give you full clearance there, and you'll be able to pull something in. If you want to use it as a party deck, put your cables on, put your gate out, hook everything in place, and it actually comes with a screen here. You don't have to install it. There's no screws. It's magnetic. So it magnetizes to the black strip up here. You've got plenty of tie down points back here. And of course, this cabinet up here that I just showed you. And then you've got USB ports and outlets back here. If you'd like to see this unit in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.